Hi. In the previous lesson, we defined product card component in the same file with app component. And in this lesson, we will move it into separate component file. Normally, all components in React application are placed under components folder. Let's create it. Click on the source folder and click new folder. Provide a components folder name and create here the product card React component. .js. Pay attention, it also uses the Pascal case naming convention, so every word should be named from the capital letter. Okay, now we need to move implementation of product card component from app file to the created file. Okay, so let's think how to use it in the application file. To use it in the application file, we need to use export and import. So export allows us to provide an access to the component from that file to other files. So it's like share this component between other files. And import allows us to use a shared component in a specific files. So components can be exported in two ways. There is a named and default export. In our course, we will use the named export because it allows us to import multiple components from one file in case we need it, and it's strict in using the same names during the import. So I will show you an example about it later. Okay, now let's export the product card component. Just add an export and open application.js and at the top of the file add import. And you need to open bracket. It tells you that it's named import and provide a product card component file name. So after we import it, let's open an application and check how it works. So after refresh, it works fine. But let's see how the named import is treated to the naming. Okay, let's imagine we do a mistake and name it product card. And after we save the file, we see that product card is not exported from the product card component. So it tells us about the mistake, and that is why it's safer. So let's back the name, the correct name of the component. So, and see you in the next lesson.